Einstein photoelectric equation. Kaka. Including a wave theory can explain the box silova. Including Einstein can explanation can back that. So can say lenga. Hey 3 marks to run ya. Then write short notes on 3 marks. Or explain Einstein's photoelectric equation. The current theta. So I have a thought can he and Jack Hatchawa, the Kanua. Less than greater detail of no van can. He Kaka San Lenga. Abu William Toka. Cái en liệp phát tặng Apple Huy làm hi ai nó nôm dọc trên vàng in ai nang renga hi min hian Apple Huy làm thấu kan en lenga chuan nó kan en tu chu answer photoelectric equation khani to ta chu he tim hi kan en le to na le Apple Huy nei chuan he page number khani kan lo ra thei menga chuan maximum kinetic energy chang anh em, từ nãy hiện hay metal plate luôn người ta sẽ metal plate ta khan internal hay electron người ta sẽ electron kan metal là kan ai abet về tất cả thì cả this metal plate binds the electron from its motion, so that binding energy suppose for this particular plate is, if it is energy, that is 40 joule. It's for just example. That is binding energy. Binding energy of electron with metal is 40 joule. So on. I have a light ray of 20 joule. This is equal to H nu. Nu is frequency. Hey, energy of light ray. This is binding energy. Here in this chapter, that binding energy will refer to as work function. Work function. So in new text, it is denoted as W. In this book, we will denote it as omega. Same thing. Now, from this information, here energy of light ray is 20 joule and work function of this metal is 40 joule. So the question is, will photoelectric emission takes place? So we will discuss here 20 joule. Energy of light ray is only 20 joule, but the binding energy of electron with this metal is 40 joule. So electron cannot move. This binding energy is twice greater than energy of light ray, which is to pull the electron out of its position. And it's one electron emission cannot take place here in this context. So suppose if this is 50 joule. Now energy of light ray is greater than work function of the metal, so the emission of electron takes place here in this case. So the electron will move with some energy. That energy will be the difference between these two energy, 50 minus 40. So the electron kinetic energy, maximum kinetic energy can take. That maximum kinetic energy will be, here is 10 joule. Electron moved with energy equal to the difference of these two energy. That is the basic of Einstein's photoelectric equation, photoelectric effect. That is, if the energy of light ray is here h nu minus 40, here 40 is we have omega, or according to your text, let us note the W, that will be equal to this kinetic energy of electron, but instead of writing in right side, let us write in the left side. So I can erase these two. The maximum kinetic energy of electron will be equal to the difference of energy between light ray and work function. So this will be equal, this is h nu, and kinetic energy is half mv square equals h nu minus this work function is equal to h nu naught. H nu naught. So on kinetic, this kinetic is maximum kinetic energy. So to have maximum kinetic energy, mass cannot be maximum, it's always constant, and 2 and 1 is always constant. So I need this velocity should be maximum. So on in h nu minus h nu naught. So this maximum kinetic energy is, I can take common of h minus h nu naught, or h c by lambda, just lambda, and c by lambda naught. So frequency is equal to velocity by wavelength. So on equal to c, I can take common hc 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught. Hey, maximum kinetic energy ka dito ka Einstein equation kan ti ka ni. So on, from this equation, like mi ho zong chu kan pai lok ka kan mo tori lang. From this equation, I have maximum kinetic energy equal h nu minus h nu naught. So I can transfer this to left side, so it becomes plus, right? So if I plus h nu naught, so I can erase this. So let me h nu naught ka work function kan tia w ka ti ka, or w or omega ka ti ka. Chu hemi chia hello ni ta ni ka Einstein equation kan ti hei po ni ve thau hei po dik thau ni che ka ji ma sak po dik thau ka confuse to na ke tik mark ve ta ka ti ka ron chuak thin ta aron chuak thin dan he tik mark han chuak ve ji a kan hu tir nge ting chu tik mark ve le mi he tiang a ki han Einstein photoelectric equation is expressed as aron da kwa mi ding le left and right ka, there's just interchange. So tu na kan zira ka chon hei hello ni ta mi si an sar khan mi ta o kha tiang te te kha aron chuak thina ni. So objective fa po khan he electron volt is a unit of electron volt is unit of energy volt unit of energy chuan unit of Planck's constant is khatian te chu second khatian hu te poka a tha ve rewa le lo en ve thin taw la photoelectrons are emitted when zinc plate is heated, a zinc plate is hammered, zinc plate is radiated with ultraviolet, zinc plate is subjected to very high pressure, ultraviolet. If the momentum of photon frequency is energy of its momentum is nó kan zia to khan in thiam chon heu chan theilu turin nei to lo chu wangin ka thiam tak kem ke hi ka ra thiam tak kem tin thian na han MCQ lam te ha solve chin ta ula azia view in ka ria a de khan kan du tok le pada